It's pre-dawn. Colin Graham, a hot air balloon pilot, is up early and ready to launch.
We're looking for calm winds on the surface for the most part, and winds aloft that are going a direction that is favorable from where we might want to take off. And we have multiple launch sites around the area depending on which one of those is the best.
He sets loose a small balloon filled with helium to test which way the wind is blowing. On this day, the balloon floated to the north. As you can see, the balloon moves back and forth towards him, which indicates the winds are not strong in the upper atmosphere, which gives him a green light for liftoff. He then turns on the flames. The heat rises, and since it stays trapped inside of the balloon, it begins to work just like a helium balloon that we sent up to test the weather. But propane is the gas of choice here, and in this case, Colin fills the balloon with just enough hot air to keep it expanded but grounded. Like a magic carpet, we begin to rise effortlessly, not a jolt of turbulence. Within seconds, we rise hundreds of feet above, where the skyline shows us a majestic view of the Yuma Valley. Our altitude is controlled in two ways.
Well, we control what's going on by burning, essentially. So if you want to go up, you burn more. If you want to go down, you burn less, or you can valve out of the top.
While a hot air balloon flies in the direction of the wind at ground level, given the right conditions, it can be navigated with near pinpoint accuracy. Colin lowered the balloon and took us for a dip in the Gila River, skimming the surface of the water with pure precision. During the hour-long ride, we reach altitudes of up to 1,500 feet, and I gotta tell you, the weather up here is cool and crisp. To land, Colin communicates with his field crew following from below. They identify a landing spot. Descending is trickier than taking off. To keep the balloon from free-falling, he carefully regulates the heat inside of the balloon and keeps a close watch on the altimeter that measures the altitude. This is important because it also allows Colin to gauge the direction of the wind to safely land the balloon. We continue to gradually descend, and within 10 minutes, we finally reach ground level, ending our hot air balloon ride.